Good afternoon and welcome to the Tyler freaking Lewis YouTube channel. Today, heading on over to Tanner's house and we're just gonna screw around. I'm not even really sure what we're gonna do, but I had video from over the break that I've been trying to put together, but GoPro doesn't like the film, I guess, and so sorry. I had film, pretty cool stuff, but it's not gonna happen. Actually, you know what? There's some gun footage and some cave footage I think I'm gonna throw in there. Let's do that right now. What are we doing here? Holy crap. Wow. Oh my god. That's a safety background. The valley makes that sound so cool. Okay, so now, right here, decided to take the exhaust off of Cody's Jeep. Wish I could show you how, but we already finished. Almost got it. Obviously, we know what we're doing here. Time out. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. Wood. There it is, wood. Sounds real good. Thank you, sir. See, that's how much. Pause. Perfect. We're getting it to great. How sweet. How far has it moved so far? About that much. 1/8 of an inch. Well, that's not very good. My hat got squished. You're so strong. My hat got squished there. People, if your exhaust looks like this while you're driving, you probably are not gonna have a fun time on the highway. Oh, shoot. I want to play your followers or something, Tyler. Oh, okay. Oh, give me my harmonica. Did it come? Give me my harmonica, Wood. I'm gonna throw something at you, what? Oh! He goes hard. He goes hard. Whoa! Yeah! You boys to cut it out, okay? Listen here, son. Put the axe down and don't hit your brother with it. Well, that start on this barbecue pit whenever you want. You got a paper dirty. Sir, I'll go. I gotta go run Colt. Hey, dude, that kid needs to shut up. Hey. No, you're doing a great job. Tyler, you want to please come wiggling on for a little while? Okay. Tanner's got a little treat for y'all. Oh, see if y'all know this song. No! It gave burn. This isn't even it! Start it up. Woo! Dude, these things have a huge muffler. Fireball shoots out? You think a fireball's gonna shoot out? No, definitely not. But it would, that'd be cool. It's got like 120 horsepower. You ready? Yeah. Well, now it's got like 450. Startup clip. Oh! Dang! Dude. Give it a little home. Oh, it's got a rumble. It's got like a feather. Give us some RPM there. Oh yeah, you sound like a true college kid now. Sound like you're from Texas State. Hey, it smells like Tyler's car. Yeah, it does. It sure does. Oh, here, let's do a revving comparison here. Oh, dude, look at that, Tan. Hey, that's what you call work on, son. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Add me on Snapchat. Tan Man 2 can. All right.
both stink real bad. Real bad. Colt doesn't like them. Oh man, I started sweating.
Running out of things to say. He's about to take the camera back.
Yeah, that's real stinky.
Oh,
jeez.
Careful,
Drive
careful.
over an axe.
Yeah, you're smart. You're not in gear.
What's he here? Sounds like a house cat trying to
Lift him
roar.
up so he can't do it. Spin, put it in gear.
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
I made a woman promise. I always wear my helmet.
What?
Well, that was fun.
Dude, watch how fast this dog is.
Yeah, it's quite impressive. We're gonna open it up like a shoot gate. You get on there. Let me get on the inside. Alright. Gotta get my clocker out. Clocker.
Oh.
I made a woman a promise I'd always wear my helmet. What you got? You ain't got a flipper bobber. Yeah,
Oh, he's in the gate. He's at the gate.
he's in the chute, boys.
Yeah, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. We got cold blue.
Right in the gate. Oh!
You get it?
One.
Get down!
Whoa! That sounds so cool, a standard four-wheeler.
You don't catch it till 4th year. You want me to leave it? Yeah, you can.
All right, so now we're all into the looking at what it sounds like without a muffler. So Tanner wants to unbolt his. So his is a little bit lower than the off-road vehicles over here. So we're gonna back into this ditch. Oh yeah, that's good. Right now it's a MBRP, like 5-inch pipe to that muffler, which is just a U-bolt, and then a probably 4-inch, 6-inch tip. I don't know. Ooh, yeah, that'll be a lot easier than the daggum. Yeah, this is just that clamps right on. Oh, there's a double clamp over here. Oh yeah, that'll be easier. That's just a U-bolt on the clamp. All right, an hour and a half later. That was the hardest exhaust to get off. We literally had to get 2 ratchet straps to pull it off.
Bro, watch out, it's gonna dump something probably. Alright.
It was up to there.
Alright.
Oh! The bracket. That sounds good, dude. That sounds good.
Yeah.
That sounds so nasty. That sounds.
You wanna hear it start?
We got it off. It was just on there a long ways.
Cody's idea worked, Pop. Cody's idea worked too. Thank you, Pop. Brains of the operation, I'll tell you that.
Oh, okay.
Brains of the
I know it looks really bad, but don't worry, we might put it back on. We'll see.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, let's hear it. That's pretty dang good.
Yeah. That's so nasty. This sounds nasty, dude. That is gonna do it for today. Like and subscribe, as always. I get so annoyed with myself saying that, but like seriously, I want y'all to do that, please. That's gonna do it. We had to, well, I don't think Cody left his exhaust off, and I think Tanner wasn't sure if it's, because you know there's some people that have straight pipe diesels. He wasn't sure if it was still legal or not to do that. So let me know down below if you know if it's legal to have straight pipe diesel. The exit is actually behind the cab. I know that's one of the rules, but it doesn't have a muffler, so I don't know if that's legal or not. Let me know if you know though. Anyways, that's it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.